Okay, we're going to talk about a connector OR. Let's take the same discount example and replace AND by OR. So you get 15% off if you shop for $25 and above or on a Friday. This means that as long as at least one of the condition is satisfied, you get a discount. So if you shop 35 bucks on Monday, you get a discount. If you shop 10 on Friday, you get a discount because it's Friday. If you shop 40 on Friday, both conditions met, you still get discount. But if you shop for 20 bucks on a Tuesday, you don't get a discount. Let's look at how it impacts inequalities. Let's say x is less than or equal to 5 or x is less than or equal to 1. Here, if you try to capture all the area where the solution exists, which is negative infinity to 5. So instead of finding the common area, what you do is you find all the places where the solution exists. So it exists in all of this, and then it exists here too because one of them is satisfied. So it becomes negative infinity to 5 included. Let's look at this. Let's say 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 13 or 5x plus 2 greater than negative 3. You solve both of them individually, you end up with these two, x less than or equal to 6 and negative 1. Now there is a solution that exists here. It's only from one of them, but it still exists. Then both of them exist over here, and then the other one exists over here, which means that the solution is everything here. Negative infinity to infinity or all of R, which stands for real number. Now you've seen this operator union before in our first chapter of functions, where we said that if you have disjoint intervals, they can be kind of connected using union. But now this is a good place to talk about these two operations, union and intersection. So we saw this example where you have a connector AND. And in this case, you end up with x less than 5 or x greater than or equal to 8. So you know the solution is everywhere here and then everywhere here. It's all in the red region, but how do you write it? So we use a union symbol. It's used for combining sets, and in this particular example here, combining intervals. So the solution is going to be negative infinity to 5 union 8 to infinity. Again, notice the proper use of the square bracket and the round bracket, depending on if the endpoint is included. There's an opposite operation to this, which is called intersection, and the symbol is just an inverted U because it's opposite. Intersection means what's common to both the areas, just like an intersection on a street. In terms of operation, union should remind you of the OR connector, and intersection functions like the AND connector. Okay, next video we're going to talk about absolute value function.